I swear I'm grinning because my husband, when I met him, he used to say, "Can you whistle through your gap?" And I was like, "What? Oh, what do you mean?" And lately I've been whistling through my gap, child. Lord. I'm definitely not the naturalist, most natural person on earth. Hey love bugs, it's your girl DizastrousBeauty coming back with the voiceover. So this unit was sent to me by WIGENCOUNTERS. Shout out to you WIGENCOUNTERS for sending me this unit. Right here I am showing you guys the cap construction. This unit does come with 3 combs in the front, 1 comb in the back with adjustable straps, and it has 4-inch parting space lace. This unit is 14 inches long and is 150% density, and I do have it in an average cap size. Right here I am just straightening the unit, and I'm going to talk about the color and all of that stuff in the outro portion of this video. So if you are interested in any more details and specs and all that good stuff about this unit, then please continue to watch, and I will see you love bugs in the outro. Bye! So I'm obviously finished styling this wig, and this is what I got. If you're interested in the details, the specs, and all that good stuff about this unit, then please continue to watch. Okay, y'all, so this wig was sent to me by WIGENCOUNTERS. Shout out to you WIGENCOUNTERS for once again sending me another wig. I really do appreciate it. Okay, so they sent me this little card. Shout out to you for this little card. Okay, they sent me this little card to tell me like details and specs and stuff about the wig. So it says hair color same as picture, hair length 14 inches, density 150% density, bleach knots option yes, bleached on the front, cap construction 4-inch parting space, lace front glueless clap child cap. So that's what they have on this little card right here. So yeah, those are the details and specs that I have on this wig. Now, as it stated, this wig is a 14-inch unit. Now, if I'm not mistaken, on the site it says that this is a bob, and it says new blonde bob hair lace wig. In my opinion, this wig is not a bob. It's more of a everyday type unit. Like, it has no cut that resembles a bob. So like, let's keep it all buck. It's not a bob. Now on the site it does look bob-ish, but it is not a bob. Like this right here is all the same length. It is definitely not a bob. It's 14 inches long. It's more of an everyday type unit in my opinion. So yeah, that's what we got on here. Now you can get this wig from 8 inches all the way to 16 inches. It stops at 16 inches, and if you get it in 16 inches it is $239, honey. Okay, and that's in 16 inches. And if you get it in 8 inches it's $179. Okay, so I want you guys to keep that in mind. Now as far as with this wig, I did not tweeze it whatsoever. Like, what you see is what you get. Like, yeah. And I feel like it looks really good. I feel like the hairline looks really good on this wig to not have had any tweezing whatsoever, as well as the parting space. I feel like the parting space looks good as well. Especially not to have had any sort of manipulation whatsoever. So shout out to you, Wig Encounters, for that. Now as far as shedding and tangling, like, to me this wig does not shed or tangle. And it's odd because of the color. I expected a little shedding, but I didn't get it. Now granted, you may see hair on my shirt, but I did cut around my ear a lot, girl. Okay, a lot, because for some reason, I know what the reason is. I feel like the cap was too big for me, and it was too big because they sent me a medium cap, and nowadays I can fit a small cap because I ain't got no hair. So because of that, I can fit a smaller cap. So I had to cut off a lot of lace, and with that I ended up cutting off a lot of hair. So keep that in mind. But I don't feel like the wig in itself sheds at all, despite the fact that it's obviously been dyed. I don't feel like it sheds whatsoever. And yeah, as far as tangling, like, you guys see, you see, girl, like, obviously it does not tangle whatsoever. And yeah, y'all, that is pretty much it as far as details and specs go with this wig. Now, do I feel like it's big head friendly? Yes, definitely a big head friendly wig. I don't know if you can get it in a small, medium, or large. Let's see. I don't see the option on here where you can get it small, medium, or large, so I'm gonna say no. But I do feel like this wig is big head friendly, more so big head friendly than not. But as you guys can see, I just said that I consider myself small head, like right now, and I made it work. So I feel like you can make it work no matter what. So keep that in mind. And yeah, now granted, you will have some lumps and bruises back here, and I'm pretty sure you guys gonna be able to see that when I do my full 360, because the wig is too big for me. So it's lumpy back here in the back, which is not a big deal for me, but I didn't pay for it. Like, so it just depends on your preference and all that good stuff. But yeah, I feel like you can make it work because, as I stated, I did make it work regardless. So it depends on you, boo. Anyways, obviously I don't have to do a length check because, honey, this is it. No Michael Jackson. So we're gonna go ahead and get into how I feel about this unit and all that good stuff. So if you are interested in that, then please continue to watch. Now girl, if you giving me heat about not standing up and showing you a 16-inch wig, then forget you, okay? I don't care. I don't care, okay? Like, you can basically figure out what this wig looks like. I am going through some things right now. Like, standing up hurt my legs. Yeah. Anyways, y'all, so that is pretty much it. I'm gonna go ahead and tell you what I think about the wig. I think the wig is really, really cute. I will say this, I did expect something differently from looking at the pictures. I expected a different color, but honey, I done been checked by these wig companies, and they be like, look girl, we do these by hand, and with us doing it by hand, the colors sometimes come out differently. Well, I get that, I do. And I'm not paying for these wigs, but you guys are, okay? So the fact that you guys are paying for this wig and you see a certain color on the site, that's the color that you expect to get. And I get it 1000%. So let me see if they have it on here, because if they do, honey, they can check me. Yeah, I don't see it on here. Yeah, you need to portray the color that you think you're gonna get. Like, That's my only con with this wig. Like as far as the wig in itself, hold on, I got two cons. As far as the wig in itself, I think the wig is a really nice everyday wig. First of all, it's not a bob. It's nobody's bob. Second of all, the color is definitely very different. If you're expecting an ash blonde and you get a golden blonde, that is definitely gonna be an issue for a lot of people. This is more of a golden honey type blonde, which I don't mind, girl, because you know your girl loves some honey. But if you're not somebody that likes honey blonde and you get this wig expecting an ash blonde, it will be an issue. So yeah, I wanted to kind of throw that out there. But as far as the color in itself, I think the color is gorgeous, and the dark roots are throughout the wig, which is definitely a plus. I feel like the color was definitely super well done. It looks amazing. It's just that, you know, looking on the site, I feel like you're gonna think that you're gonna get something different. And I don't want you guys to be mad at me or mad at the company, because honey, this is probably what you're gonna get, which is more so of a golden honey blonde, which is still really bomb. It's just not the same color that's on the site, as well as it's not a bob. It's more so of an everyday unit. So keep that in mind. And that is it, y'all. I love it. I think the unit is gorgeous, but she ain't paid for it. Like, I'm gonna wear her because she's a look, but she ain't paid for it. So it just depends on what you're looking for, okay? I like it. I think it's a look. Let me know down below what you guys think. Do you agree with me with the whole like color and bob thing, thinking it's a bob and it's not really a bob? Let me know down below in the comments what you think. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and give you guys a full 360 and we can wrap this thing all the way up. So this is obviously the unit in the front. This is it on the left side. This is it in the back. I hope you guys can see it. And this is it on the right side. So yeah, y'all, I'm feeling it. I think it's a look. If you are interested in this unit, I will have a direct link to it down below in the description box for your convenience. And yeah, y'all, that is pretty much it. So if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you have any questions or you feel like I may have left out, feel free to comment down below. And if you're not already subscribed, sis, click the subscribe button. And if you're not already following me on all my social media platforms, I am DizastrousBeauty on both IG and Facebook. I'm here to Miss C on Snapchat, and I'm DizastrousB on Twitter. And I will see you love bugs next time. Bye. Y'all, I swear I'm grinning because my husband, when I met him, he used to say, "Can you whistle through your gap?" And I was like, "What? Oh, what do you mean?" And lately I've been whistling through my gap, child. Lord.